Hey there, my fellow Scorpios. Welcome back again to my channel and welcome back to your reading. Hope you guys having an amazing day wherever you are in the world. Thank you for supporting to my channel and thanks as well for joining me here, especially to all my soul family and soul tribes. I am very thankful and grateful for your support. If you are new here, welcome. Cross-watchers are also welcome. This reading is not your personal reading. This is a timeless and general energy reading for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Please remember to take what resonates and leave what doesn't. It's because this reading is not for all Scorpios. For some of you guys, it could not be your story and it could not be your energy. So please use your own discernment. Universal energy for the star sign of Scorpio. What the Scorpio needs to know about love, money, career, business, and studies. Give me that accurate and clear reading, please. The past, the present, the future, and the outcome of this reading. Show me the cards what I need to see, please. I would like to remind you guys that the energy of this reading could be reversal. If it is not your story and your energy, just leave it, okay? Divine God and Goddess of all beings, divine ancestors, divine spirits, spiritual animals, show me the cards what I need to see for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Give me that accurate and clear reading, please. The past, the present, the future, and the outcome of this reading. So, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, let me see your card readings for today, guys. Let me see your energy in this reading. First, we have the King of Wands. This is the past situation. And this is your energy. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Or you have a fire sign in your birth chart. For some of you, of course, not all of you. Everyone is different. This is your energy you show to the world as a sign of good leader. You are sitting in your throne. You are a very confident and independent person. You give hopes and inspiration to other people to take an action with their dreams, to bring it into a reality in line with their passion. You are not only confident and independent person, you are also taking care of yourself. You look good, you smell good, you feel good in your own skin. You look so magnetic, attractive, gorgeous. Of course, in tarot, there is no gender. And this is your energy. It doesn't matter if you are male or female. There are lots of people who are captivating and adoring you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. This is related to your passion, your strength, because you are very passionate and driven. And there are lots of people who are also feeling inspired by you. I don't know what is the nature of your job. For some of you guys, it could also be that there are lots of people who are talking about you. You are the hot topic of the community because of your passion and your strength, because of your capability as a good leader. It could also be that this person is attracting and adoring you. It could also be that this person is desiring you. This person could be a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. Or you have a fire sign in your birth chart for some of you. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. We have here the strength. This is your present energy. This is a Leo. For some of you, it could also be that you are dealing or attracting a fire sign, Leo, because your first card is also a fire sign. Either Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. I feel like in the past, this person viewed you that you are a weak person because of your generosity, your kindness, and compassion towards them. They didn't value your worth. They have never seen your strength. And now, since you tame the beast, this is the ego and the pride. You take back your power, you are sitting in your throne, and this person have seen that you are strong. In the past, they are not reciprocating your value. They viewed you that you are a weak person. They perceive you as a weak person because could be that you are friendly with them, you are very kind to them, you are very generous to them, You are very compassionate to them, and that's why they misjudge your kindness as your weakness. And there are lots of people nowadays who are making you a prejudgmental people. There are lots of judgmental people nowadays. All they can see is when you are friendly, they will say, you are gullible, you are stupid, especially in the country where I live at present. You don't have to, when you are smiling, the people in the workplace said you are stupid, you are gullible. Can you imagine? Because they are triggered with your lights. There is a light within you that these people triggered. You know why? Because your spirit irritates their demons. Could also that this person or group of people are viewing you in the past like you are nothing, you cannot create everything. Because of your compassion, your generosity, and kindness towards them, and now they have sensed that you have power. They couldn't match your strength. Could be a Leo, a fire sign, Aries, Sagittarius, because these are the cards come out here. Let me see your future energy is the Nine of Wands. Again, a fire sign energy. You are very fiery, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. You are very passionate and driven because there are lots of fire sign here. You are the hot topic of the community because you are very resilient. You stand on your ground. You stand in your integrity no matter what will happen. Despite of blockages of this person or group of people, could be a minimum of 9 people. There could be a significant meaning for you with the number 9, or you were born on the 9 of the month. This could also be a collaboration of 9 people who viewed you that you are a weak person. Now that you tame the beast, they have seen your strength, and in fact, they couldn't match your strength and your passion. All they can do is to watch you, especially if these are your haters, because they couldn't believe that you are strong, that you take back your power, that you are standing in your integrity. This person or group of people has no access in your life because they mess you up so many times. Not only one time, could be they mess you up 9 times, or they use and abuse you for a minimum of 9 years, 9 months, or 9 weeks. And that's why you are guards up. You didn't let this person or group of people to cross your borders of limitation. And they have seen that you are strong, you are resilient. And for some of these people, guys, I feel like they are only keep on watching you because you cut the access. You are no longer dealing with them anymore. Because they only harvest your energy. Because you are dealing with this low vibes, energy draining vampires who perceive you as a weak person. Now that you tame the beast, they are only watching because they have no access in your life. They have seen that you are strong, that you can create something. And that's why this person, a group of people, for some of them, guys, they are only gossiping about you. That, did you know Scorpio? Scorpios like this, Scorpios like that, because they have no access in your life. Others of you, if you are tired, your advisor to take a rest. You should not work if you are tired. I know that you are feeling like a wounded soldier, a wounded warrior, because there are lots of people who tried to put blockages on your work, on your journey, your destiny, because this person or group of people are monitoring spirits of the darkness, especially if you are innocent, especially if you have nothing to do with them. What's the reason why they are jealous on you? Why they want to put blockages on your journey if you are an innocent Scorpio? Because of jealousy and envy, right? That's why this is your energy. Even though you are tired with your work, you are not ceasing to do your work. You are continuing your journey. The universe advises you to continue further, but you are advised to take a rest if you are tired. Take only what fits in your story. The outcome is the 10 of Cups. This is your happily ever after. You have an unconditional love to yourself. Could also that this person or group of people wants to return to apologize with you, to harmonize the relationship. Could be in your family, in your workplace, in your friend circle, your ex, or in the community. For instance, your neighbors. Because they have seen the truth of who you are. You are not a weak person. They perceive you as a weak person. They misjudge you. Because of your kindness. They took your kindness as your weakness. And now, they want to harmonize the relationship between you and them. They want to celebrate, to drink and dine with you. They have seen that you have an unconditional love to yourself. This person or group of people doesn't have an unconditional love to themselves. And that's why you beat them. Could be that you are dealing with a strong person. Could also that this person is having power. But this person doesn't have an unconditional love to themselves. And you beat them because you love yourself unconditionally. They couldn't buy an unconditional love. Maybe they are rich. Maybe they are powerful. But they don't have the unconditional love to themselves. And that's the reason why you beat them all. A minimum of 10 people. A minimum of 9 people. There could be a significant meaning for you with the number 10. This is a closure, a completion. The same with the number 9. Or you could be born on the 9 of the month or the 10 of the month. You could be 19 years old. You could be 91 years old if you're watching tarot. Or you were born on the 1991. And or you were born on maybe 1981. I don't know what this is all about. There is a significant meaning for you with these two numbers. This is a numerology. A completion and a closure. Take only what fits in your story. If this is somebody in your life, this person, if you are single Scorpio, somebody here wants to offer you a stability. This could be a marriage proposal. This person viewed you as a marriage material. This person wants to build a stable and established family relationship with you, to be the mother or the father of their children. This person could be a fellow water sign, Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio, only if you are single. If you are already married, this is not your reading. Or it could also be that somebody wants to harmonize the relationship between you and them, a group of 10 people who messed you up in the past. Take only what fits in your story. Clarify me, Father. Why? Why the King of Wands in this reading? Please tell me more about the King of Wands here in this reading. It is clarified as possibilities, prosperity, adventure, and risk. They viewed you that you are a risk taker, that you have lots of possibilities, that you are free. And this person or group of people are watching you. For some of these people, guys, they are captivating with your aura, with your passion, with your energy, your strength. They are watching how to match your strength. I don't think that they can match your strength because you are strong and you have an unconditional love to yourself. This person or group of people could also be strong, but they don't have unconditional love to themselves. And that's why you beat them all. Could be a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Clarify me, Father. Why? Why the King of Wands here, please? Oh my gosh. Why the King of Wands in this reading? It is clarified as the Weise Frau. This is a German language astro cards, which means the wise woman. You could be a wise woman or a wise man because you have learned your lesson. You have lots of wisdom and knowledge for some of you guys. And this person watched or viewed you that you are not only confident and independent, you are also passionate and driven, and you have lots of wisdom and knowledge. And that's why somebody here or lots of people are captivating with your aura, with your passion, with your energy. I don't know who is this person in your life. Could be a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Take only what fits in your story. Let me clarify your present energy. This is the strength. Why the strength on this reading? Please tell me more about the strength on this reading. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. The strength is clarified as divine masculine, young masculine energy. This person viewed you as their divine counterpart. It doesn't matter if you are male or female. There is no gender in tarot. This person could be viewed you in the past that you are weak. Now they have seen your strength. And in fact, they couldn't match your strength. Could also that this person is strong and have power. But they don't have unconditional love to themselves. And that you beat them. Because they couldn't buy an unconditional love. And you have this. Take only what fits in your story. Clarify me, Father. Why? Why the strength in this reading? Tell me more about the strength in this reading, please. Why the strength in this reading for the star sign of Scorpio? It is clarified as the Verleugner. This could be a liar. They are lying about you. They're spreading lies and rumors. They denied your strength. They denied your creativity. They denied your passion. They denied your talent. They denied your work because of jealousy and envy. This person could be a Leo or a fire sign. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Because these are the cards come out here. It could also be that because of jealousy and envy. Because they couldn't match your energy, your passion, and your strength. Plus your unconditional love. And that's why all they can do is to deny. Maybe somebody asked, did you see Scorpio something like this, something like that? And this person will reply, no. The Scorpio is weak. The Scorpio is nothing. The Scorpio is stupid. The Scorpio is gullible because they denied of who you are. They have seen the truth because they are shady. They have done something behind the moon. You look at this person. They are wearing a shade, right? They did something. Abracadabra could be that they engaged you to a black magician, high practitioner, or they did cast spells on you, love spells on you. That's why they said, oh, I didn't say Scorpio. For some of these people, guys, they are hiding. They pretend that they never saw you. You know why? They are guilty. Their guilt eating them inside. You look, they are shady. Because they are keeping secrets on you. And that's why they doesn't want to come out. Maybe they doesn't want to see you as well. Because they denied your strength, your creativity, your passion. Because all they knew is you are a weak person. You are nothing. Since you tamed the beast, now they denied. I don't know. I never see Scorpio. Because the truth is they are spying on you. They are watching your social media. They are, spying and, what do you call this? Gathering some information in silence and secret, because these are the people who are shady. Because they have secret. They are keeping secrets on you. They did something wrong on you. Could be that black magic is involved here. Everything because of jealousy and envy reigns in their ugly heart. Especially if you are innocent. I told you. Could be a Leo or a fire sign. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. They deny the truth that you are a wise person. That you are a wise man, a wise woman. Because all they knew that they are the one who is the best. The Scorpio is nothing. The Scorpio is gullible. The Scorpio is so kind, like an idiot. The Scorpio is like a fool, so stupid, so naive. And I am the one, this person viewed themselves that they are the best. And that's why they couldn't see you, because they are doing shady. They couldn't say that, oh, Scorpio is a wise man or a wise woman. Oh, Scorpio lots of knowledge, because they are the liars. They believe that they are only who is the best, and you are nothing. You know why? They are wearing a shade because you are the reflection of their unheld four souls. They are triggered with your lights because there is something inside you that they couldn't have and they don't have. And sorry, this could be unconditional love as well. Your strength and your passion, they doesn't have. They couldn't create something. All they can do is to spy the life of other people. They are focusing your own lives instead of focusing themselves. Take only what fits in your story. Clarify me, Father. Why the 9 of Wands in this reading? Tell me more. Sorry guys if I am so fast. It is clarified as beginnings. Try again your direction. Start over. Somebody here wants to start over, to be the part of your new beginnings. This person could be a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Not necessary. Could also be a group of 9 people who messed you up in the past. Now, your guard's up and they want to have a fresh start, new beginnings. Sorry, you are guards up because it's cross watchers. You miss up, my fellow Scorpio, the collectives. I'm sorry. Somebody here wants to have a new beginning, to have a fresh start with you. Could also that this is a new person, a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or this could be a past people, composed of 9 people. because they have seen your strength. You are not gullible. You are not stupid. You are not naive. All you have shown this person or group of people are your kindness. And they treated your kindness as your weakness because they are triggered. They are triggered with your aura, with your light. And they viewed you now that you are the truth. And everything they denied. Oh, I never see Scorpio like this, like that. But the truth, they are spying on you. I told you. Take only what fits in your story. Clarify me, Father. What the 9 of Wands in this reading? The 9 of Wands is clarified as twilling. A Gemini is involved in the situation. Or it could also, if this person viewed you, that you are their twin flame. Could be a fire sign or a Gemini. Take only what fits in your story. Could also, if this person wants to be the part of your new beginning. Or if this is the past people, they want to try again with this relationship. Take only what fits in your story. Clarify me, Father. Why the 10 of Cups in this reading? Please tell me more about the 10 of Cups, the outcome of this reading. Clarify me, Father. Why the 10 of Cups, sir, please? It is clarified as one day, someday, somewhere, another time. Oh, they are manifesting you in their lives. One day, someday, somewhere, another time. Could be a fellow water sign, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. If you are a single Scorpio, this person viewed you as a marriage material. They have a deep love on you. This person wants to build a stable and strong family foundation with you. This person could be a fellow water sign, Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio. If this is a new person. If this is the past people, they want to harmonize the relationship between you and them. But you are guards up. They have no access. And now, they are manifesting you in their lives. One day, someday, another time. That you are going to be vulnerable to them once again. Are you sure, cross-watchers? After what you have done to my fellow Scorpios, are you sure? Oh my gosh, what kind of people they are. Take only what fits in your story. Clarify me, Father. Why? The 10 of Cups in this reading. Tell me more. Why the 10 of Cups, sir, please? It is clarified as Moon. A Cancer, a Pisces is involved here. Because this is the clarification of the 10 of Cups. A Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio involved here. But more on Cancer and Pisces. Double confirmation. Because the Moon is embodied the energy of Cancer and Pisces. Take only what fits in your story. Clarify me, Father. Why? Why the 10 of Cups in this reading? Please tell me more about the 10 of Cups, sir, please. It is clarified as Jupiter. This is related to your growth, to your expansion. But also that this person wants to harmonize with you because they have seen that you have growth and expansion, or this person wants to build established family relationship with you if you are single. But also that there is something significant will happen in Jupiter season. On Sagittarius season and or Pisces season, because Jupiter is one of the ruling planets of Pisces and a ruling planets of Sagittarius. It could also be that all the secrets of this person are now exposed. A group of people composed with 10 and composed of 9. And their secrets now are being exposed. Everything comes into light because truth always prevails. The energy involved in this reading are the fellow water sign, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, a Gemini, a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, more on Leo energy. And it could also be that this person or group of people have seen your growth and expansion, the reason why they are manifesting you back in their lives. If this is a new person, this person is manifesting you in their lives because they want to build a stable and family relationship with you. This could also be that this person is wants to marry you. I don't know. If you are single, Scorpio, of course. That ends your readings for today, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. I hope you enjoy your reading. And if it resonates to you guys, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like, comment, and share. Thank you for joining me here once again. Until the next time. I love you all. Bye.